My fly's just smacking right now. Oh, they're jumping in that corner. Dude, he's gonna break the line though. Oh, like 5th fish on this little pond. Boy, buddy, come on. You got this, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Good boy, good boy. There you go. See? Wasn't that bad. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, this pool looks so good. Right in there, it slows down. And there's birds too. I realize when there's birds, ooh, look at all that area. I think I'm seeing fish. I don't want to scare them, so I'm gonna come downstream a little bit. I think I saw 2 fish jump, I'm not sure. Dude, this pool looks so good. All right, I'm not gonna get too much closer. See if they'll bite this little tiny white fly I have. Dude, come on, something's gotta bite that. I'm not seeing any fish jump. Maybe I need to put a bigger fly, but mine is looking really tasty. Oh, I saw a fish go for something. I think I need to put a dropper on there. But it's right there where my pole is pointing. There's a little white fly right there. It's perfect presentation. I don't know if it's the right fly, but a fish should totally go for that. All right, the fly line is looping around the bend. Can't see the fly anymore. Oh, there's a big fish in the oh, they're jumping in that corner. Bro, I found the spot, bro. I can see them jumping. Some big cutthroat. I'm trying to see which flies they want, but they're not biting mine right now. Dude, I can see some freaking cutthroat trout jumping right now and getting bugs in this corner. No, I just stayed on the river and walked down the river. I'm only like 2 or 3 football fields down. Okay, I need to slow it down. There you go, there you go. Dude, it went right in the spot. It's a nice one, I can tell. I gotta back up so I can get my net. Dude, not the fish I wanted, but I'm fine. Good. All right. I gotta bring him up into the calmer water. Beautiful trout. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Woo! Dude, he's huge. Massive. All right, we're gonna let this guy go nicely next to this. Oh, there you go. He wants to go. Woohoo! Dude, he's huge. One, and this one looks like it's got color. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, little cutthroat. Come here, bud. Oh boy, I got him. Oh, okay, nice. Finally, a cutthroat. All right, so let's check out this cutty, this little cutty man. Choo! Look at how beautiful he is. Dude, he's like a salmon, man. I wanted to see how he'd do. Get over here, buddy. I'm trying to release you. I like 5th fish on this little pond, this little pool, and I think I got another cutthroat. Oh, it's huge. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Bro, look at my pole bending. Come on. Bro, this one does not like the net. Yeah, this is a cutthroat. Oh my gosh. Okay, trying a different method. Bringing them into it upstream like this. Dude, he's gonna break the line though. Okay. Bro, get over here. Oh, dude, you are a fatty. Oh my gosh, this one's fat. So I found this little honey hole. Man, I am slaying it. Check out this cutthroat trout. Woo! Get him in some water. Man, he was fighting so good. He did not want to. Look at this thing. It's huge. Relax, buddy. I'm gonna let you out. I'm pulling him out like left and right, this size. All right, time to let this one go. You fought hard, buddy. Dang, he's so strong. There's some bigger ones there, but I'm just gonna stop fishing this hole. Don't want to overfish it. I mean, I'd let them all go, but I want to bring my family down tomorrow, and then they could all cast here, catch them, because it's just like the perfect spot for fly fishing. And I totally just heard thunder. It's not really scaring me. Buddy, I forgot about you. Come here. Get over here. Come here, buddy. Come on. I literally caught six fish. I'm just, those fish are, you know, they're not seeing too many people. My fly is just smacking right now. Buddy, what are you doing over there, bud? Come on. Okay, you can just stand there and freeze. All right, I'm gonna put the GoPro up. Talk to you later.